Before the machines wake, the fruit decides the day.
Every slice begins as a careful grip. The orchard hands it off to motion.
Distance is measured in vibration and time.
Here, harvest becomes a load.
Steel arms do the heavy part. Humans do the precise part. Clean in, clean out. No compromises. The fruit rides forward, and the clock rides with it.
A straight road into a stricter world.
Every kilogram is recorded before a single slice is made.
Cross the line, and the plant takes control.
From here on, cleanliness is engineered.
Inside these walls, water and steel take over. The first rinse is the first reset. Cleanliness here is mechanical, repeatable. Gravity leaves, inspection begins. Speed is useless without eyes.
Now the skin is history.
Consistency is engineered, not hoped for.
One layer, so the process can touch everything equally.
Not sugar, just time, air, and chemistry held in check. Only the right cut earns the next step.
Now the plant's lungs begin to breathe.
Heat is controlled violence, aimed only at moisture.
Once sealed, the chamber writes its own weather.
Moisture leaves first as a whisper. The chamber doesn't guess, it measures. Automation is attention that never blinks.
When the air stops taking, it's time to move.
Dry but not done. Temperature still matters. Stability is built after the heat. After heat, the line turns cautious. A camera finds what hands would miss.
Precision turns randomness into portions. The plant finally gives the slices a skin.
Trust is built one verified pack at a time.
Invisible risks are handled visibly. Human hands
still set the rhythm.
Automation doesn't replace people, it extends them.
A stable load is a safe journey.
The product rests briefly.
A sealed door is a signed commitment. Outbound is another kind of discipline. The plant shrinks behind the load. And this is how modern factories produce dry mango slices from start to finish. From fruit to freight, it's one continuous chain.
After heat, the line narrows its focus.
Nothing valuable is wasted, only controlled. Even the smallest pieces keep moving forward.
Consistency isn't a setting, it's a balance.
Portions fall like clockwork. A new shape, made in seconds.
Every seal is a promise you can feel.
Weight verified, risk reduced.
Quiet machines doing loud work.
Traceability without distractions.
Order box.
Now it travels as a unit.
Accuracy that never gets tired. Protected for the long haul.
A warehouse is a pause with rules.
Outbound begins at the floor line. The last adjustments are the most important. The load is locked, and so is the story.
Every exit still gets measured.
Proof, again, because freight has consequences. The chain extends past the fence. From factory certainty to world unpredictability. The product changes hands, not standards. Every transfer is a new risk managed. A steel box becomes the next warehouse. Now the world takes over the route.
Packed, counted, and sealed against the miles.
One lock at a time, the journey becomes real. Departure is motion with paperwork behind it.
A single product, carried by 1,000 small certainties.
And this is how modern factories produce dry mango slices from start to finish.